So we have seen in previous class how do acids and bases react with each other. So we have seen acid plus base gives salt plus water. And one example I told you to learn, that is we can take any acid HCl plus base NaOH, both strong acids and strong bases we have taken. It gives salt NaCl plus H2O. Other name of this reaction is neutralization reaction. Okay. Now in book 1 activity corresponding to this is also given. So we'll see this activity. Hmm. Take about 2 ml of dilute NaOH solution in a test tube and add 2 drops of phenolphthalein solution. NaOH is what? Acid or base?
Base.
Base. Okay. So base when added with phenolphthalein solution, what should be the answer? What is the color of the solution? Base when reacts with phenolphthalein solution, what should be the color?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, good. So what is the color of the solution? Here the answer will come pink. Now add dilute HCl to above solution drop by drop. अब NaOH में जब phenolphthalein solution डाला तो उसका कलर पिंक हो गया. उसके अंदर ड्रॉप बाय ड्रॉप HCl solution डालेंगे. Is there any change in the color? तो धीरे धीरे वो फिर से कलरलेस हो जाएगा, क्योंकि जैसे जैसे एसिड उसमें इंक्रीज होगा NaOH और एसिड एक दूसरे को न्यूट्रलाइज करेंगे and it will again become colorless. Then is there any color change for the reaction mixture? Yes, it will become colorless. Why did the color of phenolphthalein change after addition of acid? Because NaOH is neutralized by this HCl. Now add few drops of NaOH in above solution. Again NaOH डालेंगे, the solution will be more basic. Because of that, color will again change to pink. So does the pink color of phenolphthalein reappears? Yes. Why do you think this happened? Because after adding NaOH, again it is becoming basic. Okay. So has everybody understood the activity? Activity समझ में आई? Okay. Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Any doubt, anybody?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. So till here we have seen in previous class. Now next, reaction of metal oxides with acids. Okay. So one activity is given after this also in the book, NCERT book. Why we are doing all the activities? Because nowadays questions from NCERT book from activity are also asked. So you should know what is happening actually. Reaction of metal oxide with acid. Take a small amount of copper oxide in a beaker and add dilute hydrochloric acid slowly while stirring. So copper oxide is taken and dilute hydrochloric acid is taken. Now note the color of the solution, what has happened to copper oxide. Okay. So now the reaction is this way. CuO plus 2HCl gives CuCl2 plus H2O. Okay. This copper chloride is actually blue in color. Okay. So now what can we say about the nature of copper oxide? Nature से मतलब है acidic या basic. Okay. When I say nature of something, means here nature is actually acidic or basic. Okay. So when I compare this equation with base plus acid gives salt plus water. This is acid, this is salt, this is water. So what can I say about the nature of copper oxide? Copper oxide is basic in nature. So actually a general statement I can write is metallic oxides are basic oxides or basic in nature. Okay, metallic oxides are basic in nature. Okay, so reaction of metal oxide with acid में एक example learn करना है. This example you should learn because it is given in our book. Okay, so better learn this example only. Okay, now one more example you can learn is calcium oxide plus hydrochloric acid gives calcium chloride plus water. Okay, so metal oxides are basic in nature. This is also applicable here also. Calcium oxide will also be basic in nature. Okay, is it clear till here? Is it clear to everybody? Just type Y if it is clear. Just type Y if it is clear till here. Okay, and type capital D if any doubt is there.
मैम वन
Yes,
वांट
yes,
टू
yes.
मैम मैं बस इतना बोला है कि एसिड और मेटल ऑक्साइड मतलब बेस होता है, तो वो बेस और एसिड मिक्स हो रहे तो वो सॉल्ट और वाटर आ रहा है.
नहीं
ओके
एक्चुअली क्या है कि हमने एक रिएक्शन देखी एसिड प्लस बेस गिव सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर. ठीक है, अब हमने नेक्स्ट रिएक्शन देखी मेटल ऑक्साइड प्लस एसिड गिव सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर. हमको मेटल ऑक्साइड का नेचर नहीं पता है, तो हमने क्या कंक्लूड किया कि अगर एसिड प्लस बेस एक सॉल्ट और वाटर दे रहा है तो दैट मीन्स कि ये एसिड किसी बेस से ही रिएक्ट कर रहा होगा, तो ये सॉल्ट और वाटर दे रहा होगा. तो कॉपर ऑक्साइड शुड बी बेसिक इन नेचर. So in general, this reaction is true for all metal oxides. Metal oxides with acid gives salt plus water. So all metal oxides are basic in nature. Is it clear?
ओके मैम.
Okay. Kavin is typing acid and base both should be strong or both should be weak. It's not necessary actually. Then salt का nature उस पे depend करेगा. अगर this we will see in actually next lecture कि salt का nature कैसा होगा. अगर acid और base के nature पे जो salt form होगा उसका nature उस पे depend करेगा. Okay. Okay. So I guess till here it is clear to everybody. Now reaction of non-metallic oxides with base. Okay, so now what is happening? Who is shouting? Somebody fighting at home? Reaction of non-metallic oxide with base. Okay, so non-metallic oxide, one example I am writing here. Okay, CaOH whole twice plus CO2 gives CaCO3 plus H2. Okay, this is acid or base? CaOH whole twice, what do you think it is, acid or base? Base. It is base. Okay, this is salt. Salt means any compound. Okay, and this is water. So what should be the nature of carbon dioxide?
Acidic.
Acidic, right? Okay, so carbon dioxide is actually, carbon is a non-metal. It is a non-metallic oxide. Okay, non-metallic oxides are acidic in nature. Okay, so okay, non-metallic oxides. So non-metallic oxide क्या है यहाँ पे इस reaction में? Carbon dioxide is non-metallic oxide and base is calcium hydroxide. Okay, and its reaction is giving salt and water. Okay, till here it is clear to everybody? Is it clear to everybody till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, okay. So Yash is typing yes. Okay. Okay. So now we'll be discussing some questions given in NCERT book. Okay. So I guess everybody can see on the screen some questions which I have displayed from your NCERT book only. Why should curd and sour substances not be kept in brass and copper vessels? So actually the reason is acids react with
Because
metal.
curd consists acid and copper is basic.
Yeah, right. So acid reacts with metal and form toxic compounds. Okay. So acids react with metal and form toxic compounds. Therefore, curd and sour substances should not be kept in brass and copper vessels. Okay. Any doubt? So you should write acids react with metals to form toxic compounds. Next, which gas is usually liberated when an acid reacts with metal? What was the reaction acid plus metal?
Hydrogen.
Acid plus metal, yes, gives metal salt plus hydrogen. Acid plus metal gives metal salt plus hydrogen. So which gas is usually liberated? Hydrogen gas. Okay. Illustrate with an example. You can write zinc plus H2SO4 gives ZnSO4 plus H2. How will you test for the presence of this gas? Do anybody? Kavin? Hardik? Do you know how can we test the presence of hydrogen gas?
Soap solution.
What?
Soap solution.
सोप सॉल्यूशन नहीं, सोप सॉल्यूशन तो एक्चुअली बस उस गैस को डिटेक्ट करने के लिए यूज करते हैं. हाइड्रोजन गैस की टेस्टिंग कैसे होती है? बर्निंग ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज विद अ स्पेशल साउंड. Pop sound, right? Okay. So when a burns with pop sound, Siddharth is typing, it's correct. Okay. So when a burning candle is brought near hydrogen gas, it will burn with pop sound. Okay. Then metal compound A reacts with hydrochloric acid to produce effervescence. Effervescence is actually usually used for carbon dioxide gas. The gas evolved extinguishes a burning candle. Okay, so metal A reacts with hydrochloric acid. Metal compound reacts with hydrochloric acid and produces carbon dioxide gas. Write a balanced chemical equation for the reaction if one of the compound formed is calcium chloride. So reaction I am writing here. Question 3 is CaCO3 plus 2HCl gives CaCl2 plus CO2 plus H2O. Okay. So this is given in the question and this is also given in the question. So from this I got a clue that जो initially metal compound है वो calcium का है. Calcium and carbon dioxide gas is formed, so it should be calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate reacting with HCl gives calcium chloride. Why it is HCl? Because CaCl2. That means chlorine should come from some acid. Okay. So this is the reaction. Till here, any doubt, anybody? Any doubt till here? If no doubt, please type Y. If no doubt is there, please type Y. Okay. So, okay. Hinal is typing. Hinal and Himani, I'll consider for both. Nirviksha, Yash, Hardik, Harini, Siddharth, Avni, Kavin, Harini. Okay. Harini has typed 2 times. Okay. So, okay. I guess nobody is having any doubt. Now, what do all acids and bases have in common? Next topic. What do all acids and bases have in common. Okay, so we have seen acids and bases are of opposite nature, but still there should be something which is common in both acid and bases. Okay, so Harini is saying right answer is also correct. They produce ions. That is also correct. Okay, so for this we will see one activity given in our book only. Okay, so I guess everybody is able to see the picture and activity. Okay, so here takes solutions of glucose, alcohol, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid in a beaker. It is given. Fix 2 nails on a cork. Okay, 2 nails are fixed here, and place cork in 100 ml beaker. Connect the nails to 2 terminals of 6-volt battery bulb and a switch. Now pour some dilute HCl in the beaker and switch on the current. So basically डाइल्यूट HCl सोल्यूशन लेना है, एक बैटरी कनेक्टेड है, बल्ब कनेक्टेड है, स्विच कनेक्टेड है और 2 नेल्स कनेक्टेड है एंड डाइल्यूट HCl is poured in the beaker such that a part of nail should dip in it. Okay, so we will see what we will see actually, that bulb glows when dilute HCl is poured in the beaker. Then we will replace this dilute HCl by dilute sulfuric acid and then also the bulb will glow. तो ये दोनों तो HCl और H2SO4 दोनों तो acid थे. Okay, then we will do this activity with glucose. Glucose का formula anybody knows? Glucose?
C6H12O6.
Yes, Siddharth, correct. C6H12O6. O6, yes. And alcohol? Alcohol, anybody
OH.
know? What?
OH.
खाली OH नहीं होता है. Formula of alcohol? Harini is also correct. Right, C2H5OH. Actually, alcohol में बहुत सारे substances आते हैं, like it is a complete functional group. So methyl alcohol, ethyl alcohol, and like higher members are also there. But यहाँ पे alcohol से मतलब इनका ethyl alcohol से. Or that is the most popular group of this alcohol family. So it is C2H5OH, ethyl alcohol. Okay. अब यही एक्सपेरिमेंट डाइल्यूट HCl की जगह इसके अंदर ग्लूकोज सोल्यूशन पोर करेंगे, देन वी विल सी दैट बल्ब विल नॉट ग्लो. With ethyl alcohol also the bulb will not glow. Then we will do the same activity with sodium hydroxide and calcium hydroxide and we will see that bulb will again glow in both the cases. Activity clear है? apparatus बनाया है और अलग अलग solution से activity repeat करेंगे and we will see that bulb will glow in case of all acids also, all bases also, but it will not glow with glucose, it will not glow with alcohol. So now the question arises, when does bulb glow and when does bulb does not glow? So the reason is glowing of bulb actually indicates that there is flow of electric current through the solution and electric current is actually through because of flow of ions. So all those substances which can dissociate into ions or which can produce ions are actually give a result to acidic or basic properties. अब ions क्या हैं? That also we will see. ठीक है, आयंस जैसे HCl है, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड इन वाटर I am talking about, it will dissociate into H plus ions and chlorine ions. Okay, and NaOH, it also dissociates into Na plus and OH ions. Okay, so all the substances which can dissociate मतलब ये break हो जाते हैं. Okay, क्लोरीन आयन, सोडियम आयन ये हमने 9th क्लास में भी देखा था. I hope everybody remembers that. जैसे सोडियम का आउटर मोस्ट शेल में एक इलेक्ट्रॉन होता है अगर सोडियम के, like it has 2, then it has 8, okay, and then it has 1 only. So when sodium gives this electron to somebody, it becomes Na plus. Similarly, chlorine, which has 7 electrons in its outermost shell, it gains 1 electron from somebody and it becomes Cl minus. So this way, these ions are formed actually whenever they come in contact with such other element which is ready to donate or ready to accept, then this type of ions are formed. Okay, so substances like HCl, NaOH which dissociate into ions, only that substances allow electric current to flow through them, but the glucose and alcohol, they do not conduct electricity because they do not dissociate into ions. Dissociate ka matlab break into ions. Okay, I think it is clear to everybody. Please type Y if it is clear. Please type Y, all of you, if it is clear. Yes, she is typing Y. Hardik Y. Okay, Harini Y. Yes. Siddharth yes. Hinal yes. So Avni yes. Kavin yes. Anybody else? Nirviksha? If anybody has any doubt, please type D. Nirviksha, what about you? Any doubt? So I guess nobody is having any doubt. Now, next topic. What happens to an acid or base in water solution? Okay, so what happens to an acid or a base in a water solution? Okay, so again one activity is given in our book. We'll see this activity first of all. Okay, now do acids produce ions only in aqueous solution? Let us test this. Okay, so take about 1 gram of NaCl in a clean dry test tube. So NaCl is taken in a clean dry test tube and some concentrated sulfuric acid is added. Okay, uh, now what do you observe? Is there a gas coming out of delivery tube? Test the gas evolved successively with dry and wet litmus paper. In which case does the litmus paper change the color? On the basis of above activity, what do you infer about the acidic character of dry HCl gas and HCl solution? Okay, so note to teachers, if climate is very humid, you will have to pass the gas produced through a guard tube containing calcium chloride to dry the gas. कैल्शियम क्लोराइड एक्चुअली एक सब्सटेंस है, वो मॉइस्चर को एब्जॉर्ब करता है. ओके, तो व्हेन इट इज वेरी ह्यूमिड मींस मॉइस्चर इज प्रेजेंट इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. फॉर ड्राइंग पर्पस दिस calcium chloride will be used in the guard tube, means whatever gas is formed, it will be passed through this tube. Okay, so actually what is happening, I'll write on the PPT and show you. So basically NaCl is taken in a test tube. Okay, and concentrated H2SO4 is added to it. Okay, now NaCl plus H2SO4, what do we expect? So actually it will be Na2SO4 plus HCl. Okay, this is the balanced reaction. Okay, Na2SO4 plus HCl. Okay, now actually this HCl gas we will test by using a dry litmus paper and a wet litmus paper. Okay, So we will take one blue litmus paper. Okay, and in both the cases, okay, and in this wet litmus paper also a blue. Okay, one is dry and one is wet. लिटमस पेपर ही ड्राई है और लिटमस पेपर वेट है. ओके, अब HCl गैस जो फॉर्म हो रही है, okay, when it will pass through dry litmus paper, we'll observe that there is no change in color of the litmus paper. No change in color in case of dry litmus paper. Okay, in case of wet litmus paper, this HCl gas will turn this blue litmus to red. Okay, like जहां से भी पास होगा ये रेड लिटमस पेपर रेड, ब्लू लिटमस पेपर रेड में चेंज हो जाएगा. ठीक है, तो what is the conclusion actually? In order to behave this HCl gas as a acid, water is also required. Okay, or aqueous medium is required. Okay, acids are not able to produce ions in the absence of water. Only in the presence of water molecule they are able to produce H plus ions. Okay, and because of H plus ions only they behave as acid and base. Okay, so is it clear? Is this activity? क्या किया है इसके अंदर? NaCl लिया एक टेस्ट ट्यूब में, concentrated sulfuric acid ऐड किया है. After the reaction, HCl gas is formed. This HCl gas is made to pass through a dry litmus paper and a wet litmus paper. Through dry litmus paper, the color of litmus paper will not change. That means HCl gas does not behave as an acid in dry medium. When this is made to pass through a wet litmus paper, the litmus paper will change to red. We have taken blue litmus paper, it will turn to red. Okay, that means in the presence of water, this HCl gas behaves as an acid, but in absence of water, it does not behave as an acid. Okay, so similar is the case with base also. For base also, it requires water medium to behave as a base. Okay, so actually what is common between acids and bases? H plus ions are produced by acids and OH ions are produced by bases, and they are produced only in aqueous medium. Okay, if it is clear till here, please type Y. So I guess not many understood this because not many have typed. Yash said yes. Then Hardik said yes. Hinal, Avni, Kavin, Harini. Okay. Nirviksha. Then I guess somebody. Siddharth, what any doubt, Siddharth? Or okay, Siddharth is also typing yes. So actually this is slightly difficult topic. Okay, so I think everybody should read this today at home. Okay, we have done it for some students, we have already done it, and for others also, like those who are doing it first time, they should definitely read it. Otherwise actually after some time you will forget what concept I have taught you. Okay, so now दिस एक्चुअली H प्लस आयंस जो एक्वस मीडियम में होते हैं, इसको ऐसे लिखा हुआ है बुक में H3O प्लस, ये दोनों सेम ही है. दिस आर कॉल्ड हाइड्रोनियम आयंस. हाइड्रोनियम आयन. ओके, so basically HCl in presence of water medium gives H3O plus plus Cl. Okay, so even NaOH in aqueous medium in presence of water only, okay, it gives Na plus aqueous and OH minus aqueous. Okay, so now Any doubt in this? H plus aqueous को H3O plus भी लिखते हैं, ये same ही है actually. H plus ions in aqueous medium is also written as H3O plus. They are also called hydronium ions, or their name is hydronium ions. Okay. So
hydronium are same.
hydronium ions और H plus ions same ही है. Actually H plus alone exist नहीं करता है. तो H plus plus H2O H3O plus होता है.
Okay, ma'am.
ठीक है. Now, what is difference between base and alkali?
Ma'am, alkali is a mixture of acid and
No. Alkali is also a base which dissolves in water. Okay. And alkali is a base.
So,
which-
ma'am, alkali is dilute.
नहीं डाइल्यूट नहीं, मतलब जो सॉल्यूबल है वाटर में उसको अल्कली बोलते हैं.
Okay.
Okay, alkali is a base that dissolves in water. Okay. Now, ठीक है. और बेसिस में सब है, मतलब बेसिस के दो पार्टीशन होंगे. सम ऑफ द बेसिस विल बी डिसॉल्विंग इन वाटर, सम वोंट बी डिसॉल्विंग इन वाटर. सो बेसिस which dissolve in water are called alkalis. Okay. Now, when I say acid plus base gives salt plus water. Okay. So acid is actually H plus ion. तो एसिड को हम, एसिड में एक हाइड्रोजन तो कंपलसरी होता है, उसके अलावा कुछ भी दूसरा अदर थिंग लाइक क्लोरीन, सल्फेट या कुछ और हो सकता है. बेस हैज OH is must and it can be another metal. तो जो एक्चुअली हाउ डज दिस रिएक्शन टेक्स प्लेस, सॉल्ट बनता है ये मेटल का और X का. ओके. एंड वाटर इज फॉर्म्ड फ्रॉम OH and H, that is H2O. So like HCl plus NaOH gives NaCl plus H2O. So where does H2O come from? H and OH, H from acid and OH from base. And salts comes from metal, which is part of base, and the other whatever the other part of acid is, that can be chlorine, sulfate or anything, nitrate or. Okay. So this is the reaction. Okay. Now, diluting of acid. Okay. So actually now we have seen that acids have more H plus ions and bases have more OH ion concentration. Acids have more H plus ions and bases have more OH ion concentration. Okay. Now, how a acid is diluted? So actually,
ma'am, can you move back to that previous slide?
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now, concentrated acid means which has concentrated acid means water is not added to it. Okay, it is like it has high concentration of H plus ion. Concentrated base means high concentration of OH ions. Okay. Now actually for experiments we always use dilute acid. So mixing of acid and water is actually acid plus water. Acid या base plus water is highly exothermic. Acid or base plus water is highly exothermic. So whenever we dilute any acid, what we do, we always mix water in acid rather than mixing acid in water. Okay. So 1 minute.
Acid in water.
Acid is always added to water.
Yes.
Okay. Water is taken and acid is mixed to it. Okay. Because it is a highly exothermic reaction. So in order to avoid the breaking or causing any burn, breaking of the like vessel, or cause in order to avoid any burns caused by due to this highly exothermic nature of reaction, always acid is mixed in water and water is never mixed in acid. Okay, actually this meeting is going to end, so we'll discuss again in next part of meeting. Let us reconnect. Okay, I am ending this meeting and we'll reconnect and then we will discuss the same thing. Okay.